Hello friends, today we will talk about tech greedy cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.000257 and volume is $210,000 and blockchain is Binance Coin and it is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open its portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened and its rank is 3184 and around 558 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is tgreedytoken.com and this is its price $0.00256. BTC is 9.72% high, ETH is 9.94% high and low price is $0.00021 and high price is $0.0004. After that we will come down. And this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 39 million tgreedy coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is 10,000 trillion TZDY token. After that we will open its website and click on tgreedytoken.com. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like home, how to buy, white paper, tokenomics, shop. We can join on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Welcome to the tgreedy token. What is tgreedy token? Tgreedy token is a cryptocurrency developed to be used as a form of currency at marijuana dispensaries. As the legalization of recreational marijuana is expanding across the country, marijuana dispensaries are now obligated to store a significant amount of money at their location. This in turn increase their risk for crime and jeopardize the well-being of employees, customer and bystanders. To prevent this, we have evaluated the way and customer can pay for their marijuana by developing a token to be primarily expected at these dispensaries, which will in turn protect the owner and its customer. Tgreedy token has a specific purpose and that is to be the best cryptocurrency serving a market in need of financial support. The legal cannabis marketplace. There have been numerous cryptocurrency attempts to do just this, including Potcoin started 2014 and Coinbase Coin 2016, Dogecoin 14 and Paragon 2017. Of these, largest market cap is Potcoin, $4.8 million. Meanwhile, tgreedy hit 16 million market cap within 5 days of its existence. About tgreedy token was developed by a group of individuals with a common goal to create a token pupil by pupil. As the demand for cryptocurrency has skyrocketed, so has the opportunity for everyday customer. We come together with the nation that we will create a cryptocurrency that can one day be used for your everyday transaction while also enhancing your protection. We also wanted to emphasize safety and protection in order to build community that is founded on trust, fairness and transparency. With those features in our foundation, tgreedy token was born. Safely mission to improve marijuana industry by providing financial independence to everyone. Roadmap: July-August 2021 start developing. May 2021 launch token apply and CMC continue to market get TZDY name of formalization. September 2021 start adapting TZDY wallet and June 2021 creating relationship and dispensaries to figure out the best way to TZDY their secure payment. And token detail: name tgreedy token, total token released 10,000 trillion, platform Binance Smart Chain, type BEP20, symbol TZDY. And we will click on how to buy. And during buying we will use 12% slippage on PancakeSwap. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone, and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet, and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page, and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet, and click on connect, and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap, and click on confirm swap, and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.